So, Sudslab D3. This is the interior car detailer. This bottle came to me from my son-in-law, Scott. He said, you got to try this. You got to try it. So, I got half a bottle here. We're going to try it. This is, like I said, the Sudslab D3. And I got me a motel. Got me a motel. We're just going to give it a shot right here. Just, I don't know how much to use. Oh, it smells good. Oh my goodness. Smells really good. I like that. I just do. Okay. Now I don't know if I need to do this or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and really. Now, I don't know if I need to do this or not, but I'm going to do it. I just want to wipe off some excess. That is so slick. That is so slick. Wow. What's in this? That's really slick. Is there protection in there? Clean, shines, and protects. Yep. You can definitely feel the protection. Says it's safe on leather, vinyl, and plastic. Helps prevent UV fading, restore shine, and it's a multi-surface cleaner. Provides just a detailed look. Provides a just detailed look. I love the smell. And it feels good. It's not oily. Definitely not oily. And I like that. I don't like that oily stuff. I like that. That's nice. There's no oil. I like it. Of course, the pickup's not that dirty, but it's dirty enough, as you can see. But I like that. Not bad. So that is the Sudslab D3 interior car detailer. I like that. It cleans, shines, and protects. And it's definitely leaving protection. And it's really slick. I like it. Well, we'll definitely be using the rest of it. He can go buy his own now. He gave it to me. He lost it. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. See you later. Peace.